This next pickup here is just a pickup at a condominium complex. We've got some stuff dumped next to the dumpster. We've got a refrigerator. We got a little entertainment center right there that somebody dumped. So we got the truck here. We're gonna load it up and get the stuff out of here. We'll show you a video once we're done. Alright, we're all done here. Here is the completed video. Refrigerator is gone, and so is the entertainment center. So we're all done here. We're all wrapped up and ready to go. On to the next one.